Heading down to the 2026 Summit Good Guys show in Columbus, Ohio. Was here with the Jeep yesterday, rain out. Heading down as a spectator today. That's good news for you. For a good guy like me, bring you all kinds of footage. Hang in there. It's gonna be a ride. Walking in as a spectator, it's a long walk. Note to self, there was a ticket in my package. Could have got me in for free. $10 today. But as a actual car show ride, you get in for free, of course. So I already paid for a 3-day pass. And now, what's another 10 bucks, right? Oh. Makes for a great walk. Airplanes going by, the old Ohio Historical Center. Used to go field trips with school. No special treatment. It's a long walk, guys. Actually, it's not. It's pretty good. I'm just complaining. Really cool stuff. Here's a Nova, Mustang, a Max Wedge. You see it all here. Starsky and Hutch, eat your heart out.
Ladies and gentlemen, we're proud Americans, and America's the greatest country on earth. No matter what your political.
Lots of security here.
He likes it. She haven't walked the wax and then walk back to my house.
Good old Summit.
It's as easy as scanning a QR code, filling out a form, getting a hat. Everybody wins in the Jenks booth. What do you feel? So did you build this yourself, sir?
I think that's the first time I've seen one of those dolls at one of these things. Mothman. Christmas blue. That's where the PT Cruiser came from. It's sweet.
Sarcasm in it. He said, you don't realize he hung up. Pack up, you got hold on to it.
I wish I had a fuel tank at home where I could just fill it up before I left. You know? That would be nice. You know? Yeah.
start this one. I'm done. It's been a couple of hours, saw a lot of things. Hope you enjoyed the footage. It's coming your way. A couple of hours into this, and I am out for the day until tomorrow, when I bring my ride back. A lot of great footage here. Hope you enjoyed it. Or if you haven't seen it yet, wait a minute. Where will this